I'm here to talk about my Bad Bank application that I created on and is now deployed on Amazon Web Services. To start real quick, I wanted to talk about a couple of the changes that I made versus the outlines that we were given. I wanted to include the title Bad Bank next to the logo in a different color just to give the website a little pop and just so they know that that's what the application is called next to the logo, and as well as putting the color into the Welcome to the Bad Bank app. On the home page, I have a little brief summary, which is just a sentence long, saying the all new online banking experience, and then I put start by navigating to create account, so it was an easier way that people knew exactly how to navigate through the website. As you can see at the top of the navigation bar, when you hover each and when you hover over each section, it's going to give a little description on what those tabs are and what is in the tab. So for example, the home page for create account, that's where you go to create a new account. The deposit tab is where you deposit your money into your account. The withdrawal is the withdraw money from your account, and then the all data tab is going to show where all of your data that you put into the bank app will display. Starting with the Create Account tab, the page is going to look like this, and you're going to enter your name, email, and a password. I did put make at least password 8 characters long because if you don't, it is not going to let you log in, which I will show you that right away. So we'll just make the password, let's say, 6 characters long right now, just to show you it's not going to let you create account. As you can see, the button is not lighting up, but as you make it 8 characters long, it turns into a dark orange color instead, where you can then see that the account was created successfully. You can also go back to add another account if you would like. If not, you can just move on. So we'll type this in again. We'll create our 8 long password, create account, and then as you can see, here is the deposit form, which you're able to enter a amount. So let's say we want to enter 6. You can click $6 is now deposited into your account. You can see that it was received successfully. So once you go to all data, the all data page, now you're able to see your password, your username, and your email, and the balance that you currently have in your account. So right now, if you go to the withdraw form, it's going to show that $6 is currently in there. Let's say you want to withdraw $2, you click the withdraw $2, and now you can see that your balance is $4 in that account. So if we go back to create account and type in your name, type in a password again, create account, and let's say that you have not done the deposit yet. On your all data page, it is just going to show that you have created that account, created that password, and now show a balance of 0. A couple other things I want to discuss. Some of the challenges that I had in this project is the functionality of getting everything to work. Obviously, the main functionality of getting the tabs, getting the drop down, and all that was working, but I was struggling when I created this in Create React on the terminal. I was struggling with getting everything functionally running, and I was getting errors. But with the help of my peers, I was able to look at their codes and kind of reference what mine was different and what I needed to add, and that helped me really create my app and make sure all the functionality was working. For the design of the app, I really wanted just a subtle banking app. I didn't want to make any of the background too crazy so it was distracting from the text or anything. Like I said differently, I did add the blue coloring in on the front page just to give it a little more pop. And then I did add a gray background pattern to the home page as long as well as the other pages, just to give it a little more of a unique style. I did go ahead and change the font of the website compared to the other and compared to the samples that we got, just to give it a a different style and a different look. Um, I guess one thing I would say I would wish I would change is maybe adding a little more functionality, or maybe adding a little more design to like the home page to make it look more like a, I don't want to say a real website, but make it look more complex and stuff. But unfortunately, I ran out of time, and with all the struggles I encountered, I wasn't able to do that. One thing I do want to say, if you don't create an account, obviously you're going to get an error that lets you know that you need to create an account before trying to make a deposit. And it's going to say the same thing on all of the pages. And obviously, the all data is just going to show blank for right now. And yeah, I did not change the name of my app, I just kept it as Bad Bank, just because at the time, I didn't really think of anything different. So I just wanted to keep it as that and, make it as simple as I could. And then at the bottom, I did add a little footer just saying that this was for the MIT Pro Boot Camp that I'm in. And then I put the date, which is, I didn't put the actual date, but I just put the year. And then I did put my name just so people know that I am the one who created this application. Thank you.